Welcome back. Okay, now that you're comfortable with the dashboard, let's dive in and create an actual campaign. So, this hands-on approach will help you to become even more familiar with the platform.
Alright. Question. Ready na ba kaya ako gumawa ng campaign kahit nasa dashboard ko lang tayo? Feeling ko kasi di pa ako confident.
I'll totally get you sa hesitation mo, GA, no? But before diving dun kasi sa technicalities of creating a campaign, importante that we lay a strong foundation, katulad nga ng kailangan you at least need to understand yung offer or yung business. Kasi you need to know at least yung inside and out ng business na pinopromote mo or yung service. Yun man lang features, benefits, at saka yung unique selling points, di ba? And then, pag naintindihan mo na yung business or yung service, next na kailangan mong intindihin is yung customer journey mo. At least alam mo yung mga steps na tinitake ng customer mo or ng target audience mo from mula dun sa nung na-discover nila yung product mo hanggang dun sa dumating sila sa making the decision to make the purchase. And pag alam mo na yung customer journey, kailangan mo ding malaman yung target audience mo. So you need to identify who they are, what they want, at saka how your product o kaya yung service mo actually fits into their lives. So napaka-importanting malaman mo muna yung mga yun.
Makes sense. Pero kailan natin gagawin yung technical part?
I, I get na excited ka, no? Pero we really do need na muna yung foundational elements muna kasi you'll be in a much better position kasi to handle yung mga important aspects ng Google Ads. Alam ko excited kang matutunan yung keyword research, yung pagsulat ng ad copy, o kaya excited ka paano malaman ano ba yung tamang budget para sa campaign ko, common question. At saka gusto ko na talaga matutunan paano ano yung mga tamang settings sa campaign. Alam ko excited. Kasi yun yung pinagdaanan ko to. Excited din ako malaman yung mga yun. Pero it's very important na we take it step by step to build your confidence over time.
Alright. Please forgive my ignorance, pero ano yung reason behind this approach? Hindi
Um,
kasi ganyan yung usual na nakikita ko sa ibang orgs.
Ah, okay. No worries, no. Kasi intentional talaga na in-structure ko siya ng ganito kasi based sa experience ko, no, when I was just learning Google Ads, no, super obsessed ako with every technical aspects ng platform. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, meron pa kasi lang tinatawag na SCAG, STAG, mga ganong sa terms sa Google Ads. Parang hindi ko alam yung mga yun pero nga pala outdated na yung mga yun. Just in case gusto mo silang i-google. Outdated na yun, hindi na sila applicable ngayon. Nung lang nag-i-start ako, no. Pero aminin ko, no, halos lahat ng campaign na niran ko nung time na yon hindi nag-work. Kasi focus ako masyado dun sa technicalities. Yun yung reason talaga, kaya in-structure ko siya ng ganito, na after running hundreds of ads in the past 7 years, na natutunan ko na ang key talaga to be successful sa Google Ads is having a solid foundation before you even start dun sa running ng campaign. And then, secondary, yung pag naintindihan ko yung audience ko, yung product ko, then, that will be the time na, okay, anong feature ng Google Ads ang gagamitin ko? With this approach kasi, it gives you a higher or much higher chance na maging successful sa Google Ads. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, it does. Thank you.